This is the lead bender tool. You can use it to measure the distance between the holes for the leads for the resistors. Once you have your spacing, you can put your resistor or other components on the board and bend the leads to the proper spacing. You can bend the leads on the back of the board to help keep the component in place when you're soldering. After you have your component in place, you can trim down the leads as needed while keeping the bend so it stays in place. Make sure the tip of your iron is clean before working with your board, and you can tin the tip of the iron to get better conductivity. Place the iron both on the pad and the lead, let it heat up, and then apply the solder. After the solder is melted and you have a good connection, remove the solder first, then the iron. To keep the tip safe, you can coat it in solder, and this will help prevent the corrosion or ruining of the tip.